welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Kickoff. Are you there, Miss Milk Garden?
I am, but I'm lucky.
Why didn't you talk?
Here,
Oh yeah, hold on, I have brownie break. Oh,
Why are there pumpkins on the side of the goal?
it's decorative.
But it's not Halloween.
I don't know.
Which team am I? USA versus...
So good.
I still have a lot of stamina.
I have no idea how to use the stamina.
If you don't use it, I think it just tells you.
No, you can use it somehow.
Where is the...
How do you use it?
I'm just going in a circle. Right. Somebody... Oh my god, somebody's outside of the gate dead. Do you see that?
Wait, I'm going.
See that white person next to me? Why? Oh my gosh, there's two. Oh my god, the ball's outside of the fence.
Look at him, look. He's dead.
Do you see the ball? Oh my gosh, there's more dead people. If
He's
you jump,
still dead.
If you jump, or maybe he just doesn't know that he's laying down. Oh my god.
There's
There it is. Somebody got the ball.
I got it. It said press Q.
Oh, I got it.
Wait.
Where's my goal? Not
There's
that
a
way.
certain key.
Not
What
that
am I
way. Where's
doing?
our goal? Oh my gosh, I'm
Right?
going to the goal. I'm gonna kick. How do you kick? 1, 2, 3. Brrr. Did I get a goal?
Stupid, no.
Dang it.
You were kicking on the wrong goal.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you were.
The yellow person's on the other side. That's our team.
They're AFK.
We're not that same team, by the way. You're on blue and I'm on yellow.
Wow. Hold
So
on,
I
I'm just
was
gonna
it.
eat a brownie.
I'm on Team Brazil. That's what
I'm on
it
Team
says.
USA.
Wait, where did my person go?
They're still
Oh, there she
dead.
is.
Come on.
Oh, pass.
How the heck do you,
Pass.
like, number
Pass.
3 or something?
This way. Wait. No! The other person got the ball. You
Yeah!
did not just get a goal, did you? No.
No.
Good. Great.
Hold
We
on.
have one goal. We're
It
yellow.
says press Q.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Press. Hey!
Hey! Yellow's got the ball.
Wait, I just.
Pass.
What the heck? I'm just randomly clicking stuff.
That's fine. That's what I do. Wait, where's
No, I'm
the
just
ball?
randomly clicking things to figure out
Ah! Go yellow.
which
go.
one is. Which
Wrong
one is
way. No, right.
stamina.
Go yellow. No,
More brownies. Oh.
What the heck? Okay, there's a minute left. We're up 1-0. Somebody's coming towards our goal. Goalie.
Yeah!
And just.
No, it wasn't the goalie's
Yes,
head.
it was.
It was someone else's head.
Why did there I'm number 13, I think.
Hold on.
My
Stand
hair is
still.
covering.
Hold
What?
on. Look at how useless she's being. She's not even in the front. Look at how useless she's being. She's
That
not
is
even
me.
moving.
I would be. You told me to stand still. That is
Oh, what the heck? I'm doing it.
Oh, we gotta go. Yay.
No. Hold
Yellow
on.
to USA. I'm Brazil. You're USA. I'm gonna stand down here
Hold on, I'm
by,
getting more
by the goal and see if anyone will pass it. Just shoot the goal. That's my job.
That's called evil.
Why?
How do you?
Why do I keep turning
Heal.
Where'd it go?
How do you
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Pass. LOL.
No, he didn't.
Never mind. He doesn't even ball. We won. No thanks to me.
Pass. It didn't come in.
I got the cup.
No, everyone on your team did.
Still matters. Wait,
Everyone-
what did I do? Oh, I had no passes and no goals.
Hold on.
Stinky. Neither did you.
I need to do this.
What? Don't zoom in on my terrible performance.
You both.
Wookie.
You both have bad.
Yeah, but you
performances.
had 0 passes and 0 wins.
Yeah, but I had a brownie.
Self-S.
Wait, it's because I was eating a brownie, which I still am.
Get in the game. Oh, we're on the same team. Haha.
Mm.
Wait, where's Self-X, Self-O, or whatever his name is?
He's dead. He's on our team.
Yes. I'm gonna totally win. He's gonna carry us. Like, okay, noob.
Ah!
Why does he have a
I can't play this on this. I swear he would get it. What the? Where's the ball? Oh, he does. Hold on, brownie break. Well, that's about
Who has the ball? Their team or, I mean, our team or their team?
their team.
selfie, whatever the heck his name is.
Can you get more brownies like this? Can you get more brownies like this? They're so good.
There's no pan brownies.
Oh, we had a score!
Noob scored. He's the Ninja Lewis. Where's his face?
He has none.
Okay. What does he see to score so many goals? I can't have scoring goals.
Oh my gosh!
Bye-bye.
No! How do you go faster?
You can speed up.
Oh, I'm going.
Blue guy.
I'm going to click Q. I missed.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing?
What am I doing? What am I doing?
I don't know.
Hold on, I just have to say that noob right there. You are the.
Nice. You just get another goal.
He.
Get up and down. All right,
Look at noob.
Yeah.
He's like the MVP. Just
Okay.
got him
Noob.
very good pose.
Noob. Oh yes, pass. Run, Sarah, run. I got the ball. No, I didn't.
Pass, bro. Those.
Noob, bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up to me. I'm ready.
All I'm doing is just eating brownies.
All I'm doing is stand by the goal, ready for a pass. Noob. Wait, who has it? Sandwich. Oh, Sandwich just threw it.
Die.
Arr.
I can't move this way.
Run fast. Get this person with it. Look at me, I'm closing in on him.
Mom, that's not our team.
I know, I'm trying to steal the ball from him. So they don't get a
How
goal.
the heck do you?
Okay, there goes the goalie.
Nooba! Good boy. I don't know what to do. How do you stand?
Oh, I know how you use it. The blue button.
I don't
If you
have the
press
blue
it-
button.
You don't? Oh, I press it down, and I just
I know
go
what
really
Q
fast,
does.
and I
I know
use
what
all my stamina.
I know what
Red.
Q does.
Red is a trick shot.
Q does a trick shot.
Oh, yours is keyboard control. 1 minute.
Pass. Did he pass to me? I don't know. I don't.
You don't have the ball.
Oh, he was passing, but I didn't catch
Watch
it.
out. That dude is getting...
Oh no! Wait, I just zoomed in on him. No.
Noob has the ball. Let's go, bud. My stamina is...
Bro, let's just have.
Pass. He's like, I'm not passing to a lady running in a circle.
Let's just have a little moment for Noob. Wow. The MVP twisting his ankle right now. MVP, you see that? British. And then very twisting his knee. Amazing. That was amazing.
You are very...
Good job, Noob.
You are very funny.
Ah! The face planted into a bush. No. Q! I didn't press Q fast enough.
It's 2-2.
I clicked Q. Did you see that? Did you see that power shot I did? Yes. I don't know.
I think we should try another.
No, it doesn't tie. What? Use noob. Don't break your kneecaps again.
Is that...
It's over. It's a tie. Wait, but can we just take a moment
What is this to say?
to
The
see?
top-
Wait, never mind.
I was just looking at that. The top server tackles, I have 0, and everyone else.
No, get this out. Close.
Worst
Wait,
player
I just
ever.
wanted to take a moment to see that I was 5th place. You see that? Right there.
I wasn't.
59. No, he just joined. Look at this. 5th place, silly.
Oh, now I have 100. Wait, I have 100. Wait.
I'm XP. Yes. Hold on, I have to go do something. Hold on, I have to go do something.
Go, yes, I got the ball.
He's on my team.
Yes. Noob stole the ball from me. No, you don't. Get it out, goalie.
Okay, so I'm just gonna be tossed.
Did he already throw?
This is how bad I am at drawing.
I'm gonna guard Noob, I think. Balls is mine. Ball is mine.
Hold on, I'm
Running
just-
fast and furious. Get the ball out of the corner shot. Corner shot. Oh my God. Don't worry. Oh, somebody grab it. I'll kick you. Don't let him shoot.
said eats brownie. Eats brownie. Ah!
There's no space. You didn't put a space, so it
That's
looks like
the
looks like one
paradox.
word.
That's a paradox, so it's. I mean a period.
It's B-R-O, for future reference, B-R-O.
I don't care. I said.
I'm just
What do I do with this? What does this do?
Wait a minute. We're not.
I don't know. Boy!
What's the best part?
No, I didn't.
It was not recorded.
Is it worse? Die, boy, 'cause you're evil, blocky head.
That's his fault. Wait, who are you talking about?
Okay, so I'll zoom in on the guy on the top. Right. Die, evil blocky head, 'cause you're so rude. Die, evil blocky head.
No,
With your cool sunglasses.
See,
Be evil sunglasses, boy.
he's just standing.
With brown hair like a blocky nightmare. Die!
Who got the yellow?
No, I can't move to the side. Hey, sandwich. There's something wrong with your arm.
It's 1-1.
I almost fell off my seat. I almost fell off my seat. No. This Q206 blocky head boy.
Well, Frosiled 294.
No, look. No, it was me. It was me. I did the
It
goal.
was?
I did it. Yeah. I did it. Did you see that, guys? That was totally me over there. Hold on, I'm trying to
No thanks to me.
I'm trying to fix my screen. Hold on, adjusting technical difficulties. Press Q. That's what? How did you catch that? Top server goals, top server tackles. Ooh, I need to take. Hold on. We just have to take a little respect to see this. 36.8. Sixth on everything. But you know it's okay.
All right, shall we move to our next game? Kick off. 3, 2, 1. Busy bee.
Later.
Kick off. Missed the ball.
I missed it.
I missed.
No, I missed it. Yes. I said later in my text box, and then something happened later. How do you make your things bigger? Kid pass. Pass, kitty boy. Mom, you have the ball, and you just lost it. Broccoli boy. Broccoli 24 Pro. Man, I'm in the front. Sandwich boy.
I think I'm better just thinking back.
Hello, blocky head. What is for breakfast? You blocky head of
LOL is down here waiting for the boss. I'm going to fly.
Go sandwich, you red-haired beauty man. Sandwich.